So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Apple Pay not working. So first of all, you will need to check on the app itself, and it will not be called Apple Pay, it will be called Apple Wallet. So if you type out Apple Wallet, you will need to see a logo like this one, open it up, and from there you can click on Get to download it. Once you've downloaded the app, you can see it looking something like this. So to access Apple Pay, open up the Wallet app, and you can see underneath whether or not you have added a card. You can see also Apple Cash. You can see a box and the plus sign in the top part of the page. So you can click the plus sign to add a card. If you've already added one, go to previous cards, and you can see you can add them back. Through here, you can add a debit or credit card and make sure that this bank or financial organization is linked with Apple Pay. So if it's not, unfortunately, you won't be able to use it on the Apple Pay and Apple Wallet app. You can also add a travel card. Now, if there's some other issues with your card, make sure that it hasn't expired. So if it's expired, you can't use it, whether you have the physical card or you've linked it with your iPhone. And the next thing I would suggest is going back to the App Store and checking if the Wallet app is up to date, since sometimes updating the app can help fix issues like the adding of new banks and something similar to using Apple Cash as well. So these are some of the tips on fixing your Apple Pay app problems. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video, you can also share the video, you can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Apple Pay or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.